In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Dynamics 365 integration with SharePoint seamlessly. Whether you're looking to streamline your document management or simply enhance collaboration, integrating these two powerful platforms can make a significant difference. So let's dive right in and walk through this process together. To get started, you'll want to open Dynamics 365. This could be through the Sales Hub or any app that you're comfortable with. Once inside, look for the gear icon, typically found in the upper right corner of your screen. Click on this icon and then select Advanced Settings. This is where the magic begins, giving you access to a range of options and settings that go beyond the basics. Now direct your attention to the left panel. Here you'll find a menu option labeled Document Management. Click on this and then select Document Management Settings. This section is crucial as it dictates how documents will be managed within Dynamics 365. Next, it's time to choose the entities for which you want to enable document storage. You can select from various options such as Account, Contact, Opportunity, or Case. Make your selections based on your organization's needs and how you plan to use these integrations. After making these choices, click Next to proceed. You will now be prompted to enter the SharePoint site URL. This step is essential as it connects Dynamics 365 with your SharePoint environment. An example might look something like this: yourcompany.sharepoint.com sites CRM docs. Once you've entered the URL, click Next again to continue. At this point, Dynamics will validate the SharePoint URL you provided. This is to ensure that the link is correct and the two platforms can communicate effectively. Give it a moment to work its magic. If the validation is successful, you will see a confirmation message and you can click Finish to complete the setup. Congratulations! Your SharePoint integration is now active. You can now enjoy the benefits of seamless document management between Dynamics 365 and SharePoint, keeping your team in sync and your data accessible. Remember, with this integration you can manage documents efficiently and ensure they are easily reachable whenever needed. If you follow these steps closely, you'll have your Dynamics 365 integrated with SharePoint in no time. Feel free to revisit any section of this video if you need clarification or run into any hiccups. Remember, the key to a smooth integration is taking it step by step and ensuring every detail is correct along the way. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. See you in the next video.